How to disable people from adding me on Snapchat groups. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then simply scroll down in here and search for Contact Me. After you find Contact Me, simply click on Contact Me. After you press on Contact Me, you'll find two options. Make sure it's only friends. Make sure the tick mark is in friends. After you do that, go back and in here you'll find See Me in My Friends. Click on See Me in Find Friends. Then make sure there is no tick mark and Show Me in Find Friends. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to disable people from adding on Snapchat groups. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.